What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video we have a tool review. It's a air hammer from Harbor Freight. But before we get this video started, let me remind you all that we are a bilingual and international channel, and we post 2 new videos each week and 1 tool review each month in English and in Spanish. So if you want to see this content in Spanish, just look for it on the Spanish playlist. With that being said, let's get to the video. I bought this tool on Harbor Freight, but it only comes just the tool. I bought the chisels on Amazon because I needed something that is round and flat, like the one that it's on the tool right now. And it also was cheaper. When you buy this tool on Harbor Freight, you are gonna need the quick disconnect adapter. The tool came with a set of springs. I had applied a little bit of lithium grease on the gun to make the removal of this spring easier. Now this is the part that I bought from Amazon. This kit has 7 pieces and it has some different size chisels. In this video I will be trying out most of these attachments, and I am pretty sure that I had ruined some of them. Just like this one. I ran into some problems with the stock lug nut on my wheels. Some of these I am pretty sure that I will be able to sharpen these tools, but there is 1 or 2 that I totally ruined. This tool is pretty simple to use. You just attach the chisel onto the spring, and then you just apply the spring onto the hammer, and that's it. You just connect the air hose and you're good to go. For this tool you might need a large compressor. Right now I am using a 25-gallon 4 horsepower air compressor, but it's not enough. It runs out of air real fast and moisture starts to get into the air line, which is not good because you could damage the tool. So let's see this baby in action. I will be trying to hammer down a smaller size socket to try to get a grip on the stock lug nut. But after a few tries, I decided to try to break loose the lug nut with the chisels. But the lug nut was real stuck and it started to chip off. So I decided to break all the lug nut with the wheel stud, and even then I couldn't get the stupid lug nut off the wheel. Plus it was real late and I didn't want to wake up the neighbors. I was making a lot of noise and this tool is pretty loud, so you have to wear ear protections. So this is my Nissan V12 that I previously wrecked with my truck. I gave the car just a little bump, but it was enough to cause a lot of damage. So the radiator frame got all twisted and there's no way to get a hammer on this tight space. So I decided to try out the air hammer, and it seems to be working just fine. But I have to say, I wouldn't recommend anyone to do this job unless you're a professional and that you know what you are doing, because it's a very powerful tool and you could ruin a part like this one. This left side was crashed years ago, and when I took it to a body shop, they almost didn't fix anything because they said they couldn't get any hammer on that tight space. So here is where the air hammer comes in handy. So as you can see here, the radiator support, it's almost straight. I think the rest I could do it with hand tools, and this part will be ready for paint. So let us know in the comments what you think about this tool, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I gladly try to respond all of your messages. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.